850 kilowatts motor on receipt. Offloading using 20 tons crane in progress. View of the terminal. Hood removed. View of the outer back plate on non-driving end. View of the driving end. Grease contaminant seen on the bearing. Rust seen on the driving end bearing due to water ingress. Close-up view of the rust. View of the non-driving end bearing. Close-up view of the non-driving end bearing. View of the rotor on the non-connection end. View of the rotor on the connection end. Close-up view of the winding on the connection end. The main rotor. View of the rotor on the driving end. View of the rotor on the non-driving end. Rubbing marks seen on the rotor. View of the main stator on the non-connection end. Rust seen on the winding on the non-connection end. View of the main stator on the connection end. Close-up view of the winding on the connection end. The main stator after cleaning and application of anti-tracking paint. View of the connection end after painting. The terminal after painting. View of the connection end after the rotor is inserted. View of the non-connection end after insertion of the rotor. New bearings fitted on the non-driving end. Close-up view of new bearings. New bearings fitted on the driving end. Motor assembled, tested and ready for collection. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.